is up, guys? Christian Scare here, back with another video. I just wanted to tell you I'm going to change my name to Christian Fire. But guys, happy 4th of July! And look at this, guys. Woo! Guys, this is beautiful. Oh my god. Holy cow. Guys, this is beautiful. Happy 4th of July! Oh my gosh. Guys, this is so beautiful. They bought a lot of fireworks. Holy cow, guys. Wow. Guys, this is beautiful. Holy cow. Whoa. Hey guys, there's a drone over us right now. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Guys, I just got Snapchat, so I want you guys, if you have Snapchat, put your name down below and I'll add you and then you add me. So have a good 4th of July and put your Snapchat down below and have a great night, guys. Bye.